can see it creates an incredible amount of light where it actually, see, that's the border of the light. Check out, look at the angle on the car. It's an incredible flood beam. This is a soccer field. It's actually two of them side by side. You can see there's two bleachers all the way in the distance. And here's the LED light. Right now this is just the standard headlights, and here's the LED headlight. I mean, it's just incredible amount of light. Look at all the floodlight in the area on the sides. That's the side of the vehicle. Look how far out there it's reaching. I mean, it's two soccer fields. It's pretty wild. All right, guys, this is the light that I received. I'm going to annotate where I got it from on the bottom. This is my third or fourth order from them. Great folks. They deliver on time every time. There's never any problems. I personally really like their products. I've been using one of their light bars for about a year. I've been using hideaways from them for about a couple months now, and great stuff. So not enough can be said about them. But so this is the light bar from edge to edge. It is 21.5 inches. The actual reflector surface area is 20 inches. So it's a decent sized light bar for the money, especially. I mean, it's a great deal. It's pretty bulky. I mean, it's, if I'm not mistaken, like 7 pounds or so. It comes with just this. I added a terminal at the end of that. Basically, it just comes with a stripped wire that's about 1.5 feet long. And I fabricated some custom some mounts, just testing out for right now on different applications. It comes very well packaged, got a lot of bubble wrap and things like that. It's got some decent mounts. Looks like cast aluminum mounts. For me, they're not going to work. I have to fabricate something else, I think. The mounts also have little rubber feet that go on the bottom of the mount. So that way it has a nice firm placement on whatever surface you're mounting it on. It's got a nice little rubber texture on there. It also comes with a toolkit. It's got an Allen wrench and some Allen screws. Basically these things right here. As you notice, I painted it black to try to get it to hide and match a little bit better. Also, regarding the electrical work, the way I'm going to be wiring it up is I created a 4-pin Bosch connector. I'm going to wire directly to the high beam. So as soon as I flick the high beams on with the normal rocker switch on the steering wheel, I want this light to illuminate. But in order to do this safely without sucking any current out of the high beams, what I did was with this relay switch here, this 4-pin relay switch, this is 2 pieces here. I built it. It's pretty simple. I just soldered a bunch of wires to elongate some of the wires that were protruding out of the base plate here, and I'm going to do the wire job that way. This way it's safe, it's not going to burn anything out, and I'm only going to be taking power out of the battery versus out of the system from the BCM, the body control module. So let's go ahead and start installing them.
We'll be right back. another link in the chain, keeping things together, always staying unchanged. Don't blame anybody for the world of the game. Our life will feel stuck and it's like we're in the rain, and it never stops pouring down, dropping on our faces like the tears on a clown. Everybody wishing that they lived on the ground, praying that the lost will be found. Just another link in the chain, keeping things together, always staying unchanged. Don't blame anybody for the world of the game. Our life will feel stuck and it's like we're in the rain, and it never stops pouring down.